Okay, we have a Bridgeport Vertical Machining Center model TORQ-CUT 22, serial number TC-22-694. Machine was due in 1998 and she's a runner. Here we go. Machine has a Bridgeport DX32 CNC PC base control with a 6,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle. 22 tool automatic tool changer. We are running right now in the low range. 500. 1,500 in the low range. We're going to shift. Shifting to the high range. Again, it's a 6,000 RPM spindle. 2,500 RPM. Machine has a 32 by 14 inch table. That's 4,000 RPM. You have 22 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 20 of Z. We are going to simulate a tool change. Oh, we actually did a tool change. There was a tool in that pod. One more. And there's another tool change. Just run the axes around. That's your X. Your Y. And your Z. Okay, thank you for watching our video.